the Prime Minister's reaction on rotational PM attack at the opposition. Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena has hit out at the Prime Minister, asking that if you take that position as part of an auction or by force, there have been several options, as Sanjay Raut seems to be suggesting that they have several options, several faces, several contenders within the India bloc who can become the next PM face.
10 साल आपके पास बहुमत था, आप प्रधानमंत्री बने, क्या आपने वो पद ऑक्शन में लिया या जोर जबरदस्ती से लिया? ये सबको मालूम है। हमारे पास, अगर इस देश में लोकतंत्र है, हमारे पास एक से ज्यादा चेहरे प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए है। कोई घिसा पिटा चेहरा नहीं है, कोई प्रधानमंत्री, कोई गृह मंत्री नहीं। ये देश बड़ा है, 140 करोड़ का देश है ये। हम जो चॉइस बेहतरीन होगा वो प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा। उसमें प्रधानमंत्री जी को डरने की बात क्या है?
Mohit still doesn't answer the question. आखिर जो बेहतरीन होगा वो प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा, बट बेहतरीन आकर कौन होगा? That question still remains.
And BJP also is asking that question, that how exactly you will decide between all these parties that who exactly will be the PM face, because the BJP says that the opposition parties in the bloc, they have been coming out and they have been attacking each other. We see what's happening in West Bengal. The TMC and the Congress party are fighting among themselves. In Kerala, CPM and Congress party are again fighting among themselves. So there is not unity, and that is why PM has made this a strategy, and BJP has made this a strategy, reaching out to the voters, saying that the Indie bloc does not have a common ideology and they do not have a prime minister face. So it's a Majboot PM versus the rotational PM formula that is being put up by the Prime Minister, and he raked up this in rally, and it has become a huge political talking point, because Amita, we need to understand that is also the strategy of the BJP. You have a face with the BJP. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the star campaigner, he's again and again on daily basis addressing 3 to 4 rallies, giving out an agenda for the country, while on the other hand we have the opposition parties where we don't see that many of the leaders coming together on usual basis, coming out and addressing a rally. And that is where the BJP says, when you don't have a common ideology, you are themselves coming together to save yourself from corruption charges. You cannot give out a vision for the country. You cannot decide on the face who exactly would be the Prime Minister of the country. And as you rightly said, there are more than five parties. DMK is very strong in Tamil Nadu. In West Bengal, TMC is very strong. When it comes to Congress party, they have a pan-India presence. Shiv Sena has a presence in Maharashtra. We know for Aam Aadmi party, they have also their presence. So there are a host of political parties, and who exactly would be the PM face? That is where the Prime Minister hits out at the opposition, saying that they believe in one nation, 1 year, 1 PM formula, and which is very dangerous for the country. It's about Majboot PM versus a rotational policy. So that is also the strategy of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP, to reach out to the people on the ground and say that the opposition does not have a PM face. They're just fighting elections.
Well, if it is going to be Prime Minister Modi on one side, it will be versus who? That question mark still remains, and that's the very same question that the Prime Minister has been raising in his election rallies. Mohit, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you more reactions on that.